Alright guys, in this video we're going to be building another rabbit cage out of some 2x2 pallets, some hardware cloth, and some plywood. That's about it. So here we go. We're going to take our pallets here and we're going to screw them together, 2 of them at a time. So let's get that done. As you can see, we got them side by side. We're going to go ahead and put the screw here and toenail it in and screw it sideways into the other pallet. Now that we got both those screwed in, we're going to go ahead and flip it over and screw the bottom. Now that we got that done, let's go ahead and make one more of those. Alright, now let's go ahead and put the back wall on. We're going to go ahead and toenail it same way into the side. Now we're going to flip it over, screw the bottom of the back wall. Alright, back wall is on. Now we got to go ahead and get the front wall. Alright, we got the base of our cage built. We're going to go ahead and put our construction wire fabric mesh on the top. Put my wire mesh so that it's not going to be sticking out past this pallet, and I also lined it up so that it's not going to be sticking out past this pallet. I'm going to go ahead and nail it down here and roll it out. Now that I got it nailed down, we're going to go ahead and roll it out. I'm going to have to nail it as I go. When nailing the wire down, I nail the nail in halfway and bend it over. Go ahead and nail every 6 inches all the way across. While you're at it, go ahead and nail 6 inches this way too. Now we're going to go ahead and nail every 6 inches along this side. And we're going to go ahead and finish every 6 inches along the back. When you got it all nailed down, you're going to want to go ahead and cut off any excess that's hanging over the edges. Alright, now that you got your construction fabric all trimmed off around the edges, we're going to go ahead and flip the cage over. Now we got it flipped over, we're going to go ahead and set the back end on top of our bricks. We got our back end up on some bricks. Let's go ahead and lift the front side. Now that we got the cage off the ground, we can go ahead and put the plywood lid on. Go ahead and add your rabbit, your food, your water, and your hay. And you got yourself a finished rabbit cage made out of used pallets. You can go ahead and take this into your grass and walk it around on your lawn like a rabbit tractor. The cage bottom is wire and the grass will poke through, so the rabbits will be able to fertilize and mow your lawn at the same time.